Hi everyone, I'm Mars from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. And today we are in GK-1 and we are showcasing a 300 square yard 4 BHK. And this is one of the upper ground floors that we are showcasing today. And it's a really nice property, really nice location. Out there it's very peaceful. The gate is open right now and you can hardly hear anything from the outside. Being on the upper ground floor, so it's really nice, really peaceful. And that was the main entrance where you just saw me walk in from, and this is the dining in the living area that we are in right now. And one good thing about this property is the builder is actually giving you the necessary furniture that you will be needing in a house, or everybody needs. So you've got sofa sets here, you've got standalone sofas here, you've got a 6-seater dining table as well. Plus proper lightings has been given by the builder, including the chandelier and the lamps and everything. So there's plenty of space around here in the dining in the living area. It would have looked a little more spacious if this furniture was not around here. But this is how all the properties will be looking that you have been seeing on our YouTube channel, if you include the furniture also. And we have a really nice 5-feet balcony over here, and really nice peaceful locality. There's a huge tree outside for the greenery part, and this balcony is also connected to the first bedroom that we'll be showing you. This is the first bedroom of this property, or you can call it the guest room as well, and you have your double bed as well given by the builder, and you have got your side tables, your split air conditioner over here, and your wardrobes the builder has given. So these come with automatic lightings. And this is the balcony that I was telling you about. It comes with mosquito nets as well. Here's the attached washroom, which is also the common washroom from the living area. So it is an attached washroom over here, and powder room as well. So if you walk in here, you have your wash basin with the vanity area, your water heater, the WC, and the shower cubicle. There's a storage shelf the builder has made here that is built in, and a pretty good sized kitchen over here, and you get all the amenities that you need in a kitchen already pre-installed. That is your chimney and the stove, and your oven and the microwave also. You get your air conditioner here as well, and the storage space all above and down below that you get, and there's space for the refrigerator here as well. So you get it partitioned with the glass door, sliding door. You can get it removed also if you don't want it. Here's the mandir area. The lights still haven't been fit in here. This is the family lounge area. The builder has already given a coffee table here, and there's plenty of space for you to adjust the sofas as well here if you want. That is up to you how you want the furniture to be arranged. And over here is the shaft for the ventilation. Let's see the second bedroom. This is actually a children's bedroom, so it comes with a little smaller sized bed and your sliding door wardrobes over this side. And you also get a study table, a built-in study table here that the builder has given with drawer storage and bookshelves. And this is the walk-in wardrobe that you get here. And there's the shower cubicle behind this gate and a WC, and there's too much vanity space here as well. Let's see the other two bedrooms. This is a really nice cabinet space that the builder has given. Really nice use of bronze mirror that the builder has done here. And you have storage down here as well. This is the third bedroom. And again, in this bedroom also you get a proper double bed in here, and you get your false ceiling done up here with a little wooden touch also. These are the wardrobes with automatic lighting, so there's two wardrobes given here. Your split air conditioner comes here. There's a dressing table also behind the gate. And here's the attached washroom. So you get a good amount of space in the shower cubicle over this side, and a really nice looking wash basin area. Let's see the master bedroom. So over here, little similar kind of false ceiling work has been done with wooden finishing over this side and just above you also. And this is the master bedroom, and the builder has given a queen size bed in here. And these are the wardrobes again with the automatic lightings. Your split air conditioner just above you, and the attached washroom. So this washroom is a little bigger compared to the other washrooms, because there's much more vanity space over here in the washroom and a bigger size mirror, plus your shower cubicle behind this gate. And this is also attached to the backside balcony, which comes with your washing area, and it is connected to both the bedrooms, the master bedroom and the one I showed earlier. And at the back side, there's the property behind it. It's not just very connected to this property, so there's a proper service lane. So I hope you guys like this property as well, and you guys are looking forward to seeing more options like this. And this is one of the best blocks in GK-1, if I tell you, because it's really peaceful. This is a much wider road in this block as compared to the other roads, so this is one of the options to see. And if you are looking for more videos of us, you can you can go to our YouTube channel, and if you are looking for a property similar to this or in any other location or any kind of a property, you can contact us. Our number is in the description, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.